I'm going to teach you something very subtle that's going to make all your drawings a whole lot better. I'm going to use these 3 Mortal Kombat drawings to make my example clear. So what is the difference between these 3? What is the difference? From the green, from the blue, what is the difference? The difference is slight, but it can make a very giant alteration if you're doing a comic, if you're doing the pose. This blue one, which we'll call Subzero, has the hand at a much more extreme angle. It is larger by a slight bit from, we'll call the green one, Reptile. Subzero's hand is closer to us, which pushes the perspective. And the yellow, which we'll call Scorpion, has the least perspective to the entire drawing. It's a little bit more of a realistic pose. It's completely straight-armed, and it is good, but can read as flat. Reptile in green, a little bit more emphasis on foreshortening, and Subzero in blue has the most overlapping, the most extreme angle, and what that does is it makes the drawing a lot more interesting to the viewer, and it just makes it a little bit more of an exciting scene if it's within a scene. These are easy things to apply, and it's just mostly memorization. As things get further away, they get smaller, and as things get closer to us, they get bigger. Within perspective in the body, there tends to be a little bit of hesitation when it comes to drawing the human body sometimes. It can feel a little bit uncomfortable because to us, the hand is much smaller than a human head. So it can naturally feel uncomfortable if you're new at drawing it. And I think this is why most new artists kind of hesitate. We'll talk about the rule of overlapping in another video, but for now, force yourself to draw the object that's closer at a larger scale. Let yourself be a little bit uncomfortable while doing this, and you're going to find the correct and incorrect ways that you tend to draw it. Doing this can put the viewer inside of the action. It will hold their attention, and it will also, if you're doing a comic, keep them interested in reading on. I want you to take a drawing that you're doing that's maybe in a similar pose, anything where a limb is coming at the screen, and I want you to try this out and let me know what happens. If you get to this point in the video, please share the video and comment below how it goes in your drawing. And if you're completely new here, I hope you stick around and we can do another quick tip together. If you want a specific tip, let me know in the comments as well, and I'll make an entire video for it. So let's do the next one together.